Let's start our exercise 4.3. Question number 1. A man goes 18 meter due east and then 24 meter due north. Find the distance of his current position from the starting point. Okay. A man goes 18 meter due east. East side, one of the man goes 18 meters. This is a starting point. From here, one man goes 18 meter east. From that 18 meter point, he has to go north for 24 meters. Then what is the distance of his current position? Now he is standing here. This is the current position of the man and this is the starting point. Now we have to find the distance of the current position and the starting point. Now let us start here by Pythagoras theorem. Already we know Pythagoras theorem is equal to hypotenuse square is equal to adjacent square plus opposite square. Hypotenuse square is nothing but the longest side of the largest side of the triangle. This is the largest side. So AC square is equal to adjacent square plus opposite square. AB square plus BC square. So AC square is equal to AB square value is 18 square plus BC square is nothing but 24 square. 18 square is 324 and 24 square is 576. Add both the term, will get 900. So AC square is equal to 900. Then AC is equal to root of 900. So 30 square. We can write it as AC square is equal to root of 30 square. Square and root get cancelled. So AC is equal to 30 meter. Then the distance from the starting point and the current position is 30 meter. Next, question number 2 from exercise 4.3. There are two paths that one can choose to go from Sarah's house to James' house. Sarah's house to James' house, we have two paths to go. One way is to take C Street. One way, here the Sarah house, here the James house. Here the Sarah's house and here is the James house. Here we have got two paths to go. One is a C Street and the other way requires to take A and B. First way is C Street, this way. This is our first way. And second way is A to B. A and B, this is our second way. A street to B street. Then how much shorter is the direct path along C street? Which is the shortest distance? Direct path of C street or cutting path of A street and B street? By Pythagoras theorem, we can write hypotenuse square is equal to adjacent square plus opposite square. Here the largest side is AC square. So AC square is equal to other two squares. So AB square plus BC square. AB is nothing but 2 miles. Here they have mentioned 2 miles. There are two paths that can choose to go from Sarah house to James house. One way is to take C street and the other way requires to take A street and B street. How much shorter is the direct path along C street? Here the diagram is given in the question. AB is 2 miles. So AB square is 2 square plus BC is 1.5 miles. So we can take it as 1.5 square. 2 square is 4 and plus 1 square, 1.5 square is 2.25. So AC square is equal to, add both the terms, we will get 6.25. So AC is equal to, this square is become root. So root of 6.25. Then what is the square root for 6.25? 2.5 square. Here square and root get cancelled. Then AC is equal to 2.5 miles. So here the AC is 2.5 miles. Directly C street lendu pona 2.5 miles agum. A ku vandu B ku vandu cut ஆகி போனா எவ்வளவு ஆகும்? So இது ரெண்டுமே add பண்ணா, let us add these two terms AB plus BC. Add these two terms, 2 miles plus 1.5. Directly இப்படி cut பண்ணி போனா we have to cross 3.5 miles. Listen, A point is 2 plus B street is 1.5. Add both together, we'll get 3.5 miles. So, எது பெருசு? In the question they are asking which is the shortest distance. AC is the shortest distance because while AC is only the 2.5 miles. What is the difference between these two terms? 3.5 minus 2.5. 1 mile is difference. Is it? So direct path along C street is shorter by how much mile? 1 mile.